In this video, I'll teach you how to install Google Captcha on your Webflow website step by step. Let's get to it. So right now in Webflow, I have a basic contact form and everything is working. So in order to add Captcha, we can simply head over to this plus icon right here. And then at the very bottom in forms, you can see we have a ReCaptcha element right here. So I can go ahead and just drag it into the form. You can place Captcha anywhere inside of the form. And you'll notice immediately when I added Captcha, we need to actually enable it in the settings. So before we do that, let's go ahead and just add a class of Captcha, and I'll add some margin of 2 rems. That's it. So let's just say I approve that. That's good. I'm going to go ahead now and go to project settings right here. So site settings. Once I'm here, I want to go ahead and hit forms on the left-hand side. Then if I scroll down, we can see we can re-enable Captcha right here. But you'll notice you actually have to enter something called a site key, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you can actually hit this button right here that says register for a new key. So once you click on the link, it'll then prompt you to log in with your Google account. So go ahead and do that. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which says register a new site. You want to go ahead and just give it a label. So just the name of the website, something to remember this by. I'm just going to go ahead and just put test website, LOL. Then below this, it says ReCaptcha type. And at the time of recording this video, Webflow only allows for challenge v2. So it doesn't allow natively for challenge v3 or score-based v3. Because in Captcha, there's different types. We have the puzzle ones, the match the photos. This is just a tick box, as you can see right here. I usually never tick this bottom one on. I just leave it how it is, as you can see in my screen. Then below this, you want to go ahead and just add your domain name. In this case, I'm using this staging site right here. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in. In your case, you'll paste in the live domain name and you want to hit submit. And once that's done, it'll spit out a site key and a secret key. And you can go ahead and just copy it, go back to Webflow and paste that site key in, copy the secret key and paste that in. Then once you're done, you can now enable ReCaptcha right here. You can go ahead and hit save. And then you can go ahead and just publish your site. And you'll notice if I load my site, you can see Captcha is now enabled and it won't let you submit the form unless you tick this box right here. Now I'm going to go into a bonus tip, and that is how to make this compact. So if I go back to Webflow, and you'll notice that this Captcha, you can't really style anything. So the width is automatically set to auto, the height is set to auto because it's already a component that's predetermined. It's almost like an embed code. So you'll notice if I head over to mobile right here, more often not is that this Captcha form actually gets cut out almost always, all the time, specifically on smaller mobile devices. So you can probably get away with it with like the new iPhone XS 10 million, whatever they're on. But you can see if I'm on 320 pixel screens, such as the iPhone SE or the iPod Touch, you notice it's kind of clipped out. So what you can do is you can go ahead and hit settings, and we can actually apply an attribute right here with the name data size. And then below this, we can actually type in compact and hit enter. And once that's done and we publish the site, this will actually no longer appear how you see it, but it will actually appear in a compact format. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. You can see we have a really nice compact version of Captcha, which will look much better on mobile. So if I inspect this on an iPhone SE, you can see that it's not going to clip. Unfortunately, these are the only two styles in V2. I'm not a robot. So another thing you could do, this is just mega bonus tip, is we can actually apply a custom code right here. I'm going to leave it in the comment, but I'm going to go ahead and just add an embed right here. And I'm going to go ahead and paste this code, which I'll leave in the comment. And what this code does, it actually makes the Captcha that normal view, but on mobile, it then moves it to compact. So this is what this code does, just a bonus. You can only see it on mobile, but it does work. And that is it. Hope you guys found this video super helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace be with you.